Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable or remove Copilot, this one button from Windows 11 or 10 taskbar using Registry Editor. If you are looking to customize your taskbar and prefer not to have Copilot, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process safely and effectively. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and then type here regedit. After that, press enter on the keyboard. After that, keyboard, in case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Once registry editor opens, all you need to copy and paste this one path that you will find in this video description. Copy and paste this one path. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to Windows key in the left sidebar. Select it and right click on it and then choose here new and then this one key option and now name it Windows Copilot. Windows Copilot. After that, press enter or you can click outside. Now select this one Windows Copilot key and on the right on the free space right click and select here new and then revert 32-bit value option and now name it turn off Windows Copilot. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Now double click on this one newly created regedit and you need to set here value data 0 to enable this one Copilot button to display Copilot button on the taskbar, and in case you want to remove this one Copilot button from the taskbar of Windows 11 or 10, you need to set here value data 1. After that, click on this one OK button. Now close the registrator and you can restart your Windows 11 PC or right click on the taskbar and select here task manager option. Now select processes and now search for Windows Explorer processes. This one process, select it and then click on this one restart button to apply the changes immediately, and you can see that from now on this one Copilot task button, this one Copilot button is removed from my Windows PC. That's all about this video. Bye.